Sometimes we all need a bit of help to believe in ourselves, and we need some encouragement. We can't all know the answer to everything, can we? I have a special Zenden trick that I use in times like this. A hero team. It's a team of people who are in your head. A team of the most brilliant people or animals or characters that you know. Your heroes inspire you and make you feel brave. So, who could be on your hero team? Well, let's use a mindfulness tool now to see if we can think of who your heroes might be. This tool is called visualisation, where you imagine something in your mind. You picture it with your eyes closed. If you'd like to try, just follow along with me.